Hi all, hope you're doing good. And today is exactly June 12, 2026, and it has been 2 years I have come to this room, and it has been a very roller coaster ride for me of living alone in these 2 years. Like I thought I used to have so much of freedom, I used to enjoy a lot, I'll be enjoying a lot kind, but it has not been like that. It is mix of emotions, burnt food, and many challenges. So I just want to share my experience of these 2 years, the learnings, the challenges, and everything with you, so that it might be useful for you as well. And the first thing, like why I have come to this room, why I have come to this room is actually from 3 years onwards. I used to live in the hostel. I used to eat the hostel food, and until 23 years, and at 24, I've come to this room, and only because like I just want to grow myself, like from fitness journey and from discipline by focusing on my goal. That is the reason why I've come here. I want to do few things, like I want to start at YouTube, I wanted to design posters, and I wanted to explore this phase of life. This second, the what are the challenges I faced? The challenges I faced are mostly because of the freedom I have here. No one is watching you, what you are doing. And in this era of addiction to phone, I am also a victim of that, and I couldn't control myself. I used to see up to two, three, four, even all the dramas, K dramas, and everything in the first 6 months of coming here. To no one used to see me, so or tell me sleep. So I was very uncontrollable way, wasted a lot of time on my phone in those 6 months. For 6 months, I've come here, but slowly, slowly, I started hating myself and started uh, like coming out of that habit and started improving a lot on myself. Like slowly started being disciplined, allocating my morning hours to study, and from 12:30 to 9:30 focusing on my work, in between taking some time for my gym or yoga. And I used to follow some habits like journaling, and I started so many things which I have not done before. I have switched off the YouTube history. I won't get anything on my YouTube page. I didn't use Insta until now. Mostly I don't know what to see even now in my free time on my phones. So that's how I have like changed shifted from the addiction to this. So the second challenge is cooking related. I don't know anything, even basics also I don't know. I didn't do any time cooking before, and I was so confused. Like, is it a right decision or wrong decision kind before coming here? So, but somehow I've learned cooking, and now I won't say I'm pro, but I cook well. The dishes will be tasty. I can say that. Now coming to the things which I have learned here, started YouTube, that too speaking in English, where I'm basically every day I'll speak in Telugu with my friends or nearby anyone. I won't speak in English at all. But somehow I started my YouTube in English. I'm very happy for that by challenging myself. And yes, I think I'm doing good. The second thing is, so I've started designing posters. Have even sold them, but due to some circumstances, on the roads I face some things, so I have stopped it. But somehow I'll try to continue later on online or something. I had a plan, but not now. Things I've learned are so many actually, but the major thing is I've learned how to manage a house, or what we need to have in a house. And I've started my fitness journey here. I used to fear for lizard, but no, I'm living with lizards now. One or two lizards in my room now. When someone asked me today, is living alone worth it? I would definitely say yes, because it's not at all easy. There will be days when you don't feel like cooking, when you are too much on your phone, when you don't know what to do next, and there is nobody around you to tell even what to do. So that's exactly it is valuable. So it forces you to take the responsibility for your own life, start asking questions, start knowing about our own strengths, weakness, habits, routine, and everything. If you're someone who is thinking to uh, try living alone but scared to do it, just go for it. You might discover the version of yourself which never has been existed before. Me looking back at these 2 years, I'm genuinely grateful for the decision I have taken. And yeah, that's all about my living alone experiences. See you next Sunday at 11 a.m. Bye bye.